Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Today I'll be making some brunch for me and my husband. As y'all know, I'm allergic to shrimp, so I'm only making a little bit for him. But I'll be using my spice, of course, to season every single thing. I have my grits here. I have instant grits. I have heavy whipping cream. I might need some salt. That's why it's there. Other than that, I'm not using any kind of spice other than my own. Right here I have Fontina cheese. With the spice, after testing, you want to use a very mild cheese if using this spice. So maybe like a Monterey Jack, something mild. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so first we're going to season up the shrimp and allow it to sit and marinate for about 5 minutes. And we're also going to season the fish, and then we're going to start on the grits. All right, and now you want to season your fish. I'm using catfish. Do remember my spice is low in sodium. So if you're watching your salt, this spice is perfect for you. If you need more salt, you could add more salt. It's very versatile, and it works across the board for whoever you're cooking for. And yeah, so you want to put this on both sides, and then we're going to sear the fish. You can fry your fish if you prefer. All right, so I have my water boiling here. I'm going to add my grits right down in there. And you want to stir, 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 stir. Get it nice and good. You're going to add your heavy cream down in there. It's going to give it some creaminess. You can use milk if you prefer. And I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add the butter and the cheese. And that's it for the grits. Alright guys, so my fish is currently searing, and now we're going to work on the sauce for the shrimp. Okay, so because I'm allergic to shrimp, I have to cook mine separately in order for me to taste my sauce. But if you're not allergic to shrimp, you can sear your shrimp first before you get to the onion. So you put the shrimp, then the onion, and then the rest of the ingredients. So to your onions, you want to add some spice. Mix this up and cook it out a bit. Then you're going to add some heavy cream. This is just going to thicken it right up. By the way, I sauteed the onions down into butter and a little bit of oil. And this is going to thicken right up. I think I'm just probably going to add my shrimp and call it instead of searing it again. But yeah, this is basically the base of your sauce. You can season it how you want to. I'm also going to add some lemon juice. Alright, so next I added some chopped scallions, and now I'm just going to put my shrimp right down in there. Like I said, you can saute your shrimp before you start your sauce, but I had to make my sauce first because I'm allergic. So, alright, so I'm going to put it all together and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, y'all, we're going to finish off the grits. Add your cheese down in there. And it's just gonna melt right down. Also added some pepper. You can season your grits however you want to. I have enough going on with the fish and the shrimp. I just kept it simple with a little bit of seasoning and my cheese. And it's good to go. Alright you guys, so this is the eggs right here. This is the grits, the fish, and the shrimp. My shadows in this kitchen is crazy, but that's what it looks like right there. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.